In 2025, Aero Storage Products celebrates 80 years of American manufacturing. For generations, the factory has been the heartbeat of Breese, Illinois. Since the end of World War II, Aero has proudly employed American workers from the greater Clinton County region and has provided stable employment for families over multiple generations.
My name is Kevin Dimmerman. I'm the mayor of the city of Breese. They are a catalyst for the area. They've been a leading force in manufacturing for Breese. I've had a lot of friends that have worked here and they were very happy with the company. They were lifers. One of my friends just retired about a year ago and he had close to 40-some years. This company has done that for a lot of families.
My name is Leonard Cox. Everybody calls me Lenny here. I'm a lead setup operator for Aero Sheds. I worked for the company for almost 41 years now.
I have been here 45 years as of this past March 1st.
Hi, I'm Barb Koopman. I'm the Human Resources Coordinator. I've been at Aero for over 33 years. It's been a great place to work.
I've been working at Aero for 30 years.
I have been here 38 years. It'll be 39 years in January, so most of my life.
My name's Dave Dobb. I'm a slitter operator and sometimes I drive a tow motor. I've been working for Aero for 45 years. USA jobs usually mean, as manufacturing goes, Midwest jobs, which we need in this country. Middle class is what the foundation of this country really is. Factories give people an opportunity to make a decent living, to have insurance, hopefully someday get a pension. And it's just great that we have a factory here in our small little community for people to come here and work. It means a lot. Things being made in America keeps American people working. It's just great that we manufacture here in a small town like Breese with a real tight community.
It's important to keep our jobs here in the States. American-made products means families are working, they're being provided for. We work here, money's going back into the local economy, so that helps other families and the whole community. Kind of proud that we make a good product here that's actually shipped globally. When I first started here, we was basically just shipping here in the United States, maybe a few other places, maybe Canada, but now we're worldwide.
Through the years, Aero has given back to the community by supporting school systems and lending support to regional charities that resonate with employees and their friends and families.
We do a lot of different things for the community. We're very involved in the Relay for Life because we have cancer survivors here. Local schools get donations, we'll put up buildings for them. Family is a big part of Aero, and it always has been.
Generations later, we are still a leader in American-made steel outdoor products for our customers around the world. Today, our dedicated team of more than 100 employees can produce a new shed every 30 seconds. Since 1945, Aero has manufactured over 30 million sheds for its customers worldwide. This means we've run over 6 billion pounds of steel through our factory. That's roughly equal to 8.5 Empire State Buildings. Our US-based customer service center is open 7 days a week to support our products.
It's all about the satisfaction of the customers because we want to keep them coming back. So we try to do what we can, and it has helped a lot of people.
As we continue to invest in American manufacturing, American materials, and American workers, we look forward to celebrating another 80 years.